Today we're going to be making a walking water rainbow. For this you will need 7 jars or clear cups, food colouring, paper towels and water. Now we need to fold our paper towels. Fold it twice like this, then fold it over. Three-quarters fill 4 jars with water. It's time to add food colouring. I'm going to be using red, yellow and blue. And I'm putting red colouring into 2 of the jars. Put the empty jars in between them. Place the paper towels into the jars. And now we wait. I left these overnight and look what's happened. We started off with only 3 colours, red, yellow and blue. But now we can see all the colours of the rainbow. So, how did this happen? You can see here that the jars which were empty before now have coloured water in them. The water travelled up the paper towel, over the top and down the other side into the next jar, and this happened for all of the paper towels. It looks a bit like magic, but it actually happened because of capillary action through the paper towels. Capillary action is something you can see in nature. Plants get their water from underground, where it's taken in by the roots. But plants need this water to be transported up to all the different parts, including the leaves at the very top. And this is done by capillary action, similar to what we see here with the paper towels. The paper towels are made from lots of tiny fibres, and the water is able to travel up in the gaps between them. The changes in colour we see here are because they've mixed together. So here, the red and yellow have made orange. Here, the blue and yellow have made green. And here, the red and blue have made a sort of dark purple colour. Now you can take the paper towels out and see what they look like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.